Farmers on streets protesting. A slowed down economy. And important elections amid the COVID pandemic. Three birds on different branches. Can they be hit with one stone? Well, that appears to be the new playbook of the ruling party. A day before Prime Minister Narendra Modi carried out a huge reshuffle of his cabinet, another significant move took place: the creation of a new ministry, the Ministry of Cooperation, helmed by PM Modi's trusted lieutenant Amit Shah. So why is this innocuous sounding ministry so important? The stated aim of the ministry is to help build agriculture and livestock-based cooperatives. This move may help break the influence of middlemen and traders on cultivators. The ministry aims to strengthen cooperative-based economic models, thus incentivizing farmers to capitalize on recent farm laws. By providing ease of doing business for cooperatives, this ministry aims to increase farmers' income and land productivity, thus boosting GDP. A famous example of a successful cooperative is the Amul brand of dairy products, with a revenue of over Rs 39,000 crore. Here's how this may solve many of the NDA government's problems. The ruling party believes that the ongoing farmer protests are led by middlemen or artiyas. These middlemen have been accused of misleading farmers on recent farm laws. And so, reducing the influence of middlemen may weaken the farm protest. These protesting farmer leaders are also eyeing upcoming elections to put pressure on the government. The polls in states like Uttar Pradesh and Punjab in early 2022 are important for the BJP, especially with the 2024 Lok Sabha elections approaching. Therefore, weakened protests coupled with better economic situation of farmers may reduce the thorns in BJP's side. Lastly, the economy is in dire straits due to the COVID pandemic. If the government is able to boost agricultural performance via cooperatives, it would give a fillip to the economy. Putting more money in the hands of India's rural population will drive up consumption, helping all-round recovery.
The budget for the year 2021.
The issue of cooperatives had also been a part of Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's 2021 budget speech.
The government is committed to the development of multi-state cooperatives and will provide all support to them. To further streamline the ease of doing business for cooperatives, I propose to set up a separate administrative structure for them.
It remains to be seen what dividends the Ministry of Cooperation reaps for the country and the government.